You can find me on the back roads, windows tinted, radio blaring, blowing smoke out the ceiling. On the back roads, ain't no other feeling. Headed to a balance, about to pick me up some women. On the back roads, jacked up suspension, mud tires big, drop the boat, let's go fishing. On the back roads, country boy living, sugar cane fields, make a living on some drilling.
Who's next? I ain't doing that again. Woo. Thank you, Jacob. Oh, fuck. Hey, he's coming. Yeah, it won't let him go full throttle. Yeah, you gotta hit shit like that fast. That was my fault. I went slow. I was gonna go through it. Is it bad?
I don't know, we didn't go through it yesterday. We'll find out. They need some little drop off everywhere. But if you can't make it through, it's past over here, it goes around.
This way?
Yeah. But go for it, we'll pull you up.
thick shit.
Yeah, as soon as you hit it, I knew that.
Oh, when the ass end did that, I was like, oh yeah, it's gone. Yeah. I appreciate you helping me with the crock, man. I think you can make it all the way. We got winches. You gonna get him, Jig? You gonna get him? You don't live side by side over here with a winch. Unless the Terry's got a winch.
Yeah, but it's 2 days before she says the switch is out.
Well, he got a winch too. He could hook to her and winch himself up. Man.
Yeah, with you, he was like, hold the brake down.
That's a lot of weight. Especially coming through that thick shit like that, you know? I've never been this way. I've always passed this trail. So I was like, you know what, fuck, I'm going down. I'm gonna go see what's down there. And as soon as I turned on it, I got stuck and lost a crop. Like, maybe we shouldn't go down this trail. Huh? In there?
Yeah, over there. Where you got stuck at?
Right.
We came back through this way and went that way.
That shit's so soft, man. When you were pulling on that crock at the bottom, I seen all the mud on top moving.